Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Donorbox CRM, a step-by-step guide for nonprofits. So let's get started. Donorbox CRM is an all-in-one donor management and fundraising platform built specifically for nonprofits. It helps organizations track donations, manage donor relationships, and optimize fundraising campaigns. Unlike traditional CRMs made for businesses, Donorbox focuses on nonprofit needs, offering intuitive tools for online donations, recurring giving, peer-to-peer fundraising, and automated donor communication. The best part is its key features. First, it offers comprehensive donor management, letting you store profiles, track donation history, and analyze engagement. Recurring donations and membership management make it easy for donors to give consistently, boosting sustainable funding. Customizable donation pages support multiple payment methods, creating a seamless giving experience. Peer-to-peer and crowdfunding campaigns expand your reach, while automated thank you emails and receipts save time and enhance donor engagement. Plus, built-in analytics provide real-time insights to optimize campaigns. Integrations with tools like MailChimp, Salesforce, Zapier, and QuickBooks ensure smooth workflows across fundraising, marketing, and accounting. However, there are some limitations. Smaller nonprofits may need time to explore all features fully. Some advanced integrations might require additional setup. And while the platform is powerful, it may be more than what extremely simple fundraising needs require. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.